Hey, how are you doing? Welcome to Miss Tech Hack. What is this video all about? Let's have a preview. Today in this video, I will be showing you how one-to-many unidirectional mapping works in Hibernate. Before we go ahead, make sure to subscribe to Miss Tech Hack, so you don't miss on any of our updates and latest videos. A bonus tip. Are you in a hurry to learn Hibernate? Well, I have a good news for all. Check out the Udemy course link in description. And you can access all training videos in just one click. Do watch the video till end to get all the insights. So let's get started. Step 1. Run DB script. In Workbench, open one-to-many unidirectional DB script and run it. It will create new database and tables, course _detail, course _section, and topic. Refresh schemas and check tables. Now go to database, reverse engineer, select localhost, continue. Continue, select schema, continue, check, EER diagram. We can see the table mappings in the EER diagram now. Step 2. Create entity. Copy one-to-many by and create new package one-to-many uni. Copy and update schema name in Hibernate configuration file and JDBC connection file. Create a new file topic in entity folder. Let's annotate the class as entity, and map to table using table annotation, by passing topic table name. Define fields, ID and topic name with column annotation, and ID with ID and generated value annotation. Generate an empty constructor and a parameterized constructor only with topic name. Generate getter setter and toString method for ID and topic name. Under course class, let's add fetch type as lazy, in one-to-many mapping of sections. Under course section class, add a list of topics. Annotate topics with one-to-many annotation, using fetch type as lazy and cascade type as all. Add join column annotation, by passing course _section _ID. Generate getter setter for topics. Now, let's add a method to support unidirectional mapping, which will accept topic and add it to list of topics. Step 3. Create demo. In Create Demo file, add topic as well under annotated classes, while creating session factory. Let's clean up some of the code. Create a new course section object. Next we will create some topics and add them to section. Save the section and print both section and topics. Now, if we run and check, new section and topics is inserted in the database. Step 4, Mapping Demo. In Print Demo, add topic as well under annotated classes while creating session factory. Fetch course section object, and retrieve topics using course section. Now, run the class. It gives an exception as section is null. Course section in database has ID 10, so update ID to 10 and run it again. Now, we can see course topics in logs. Step 5, Delete Demo. In Delete Demo, add topic as well under annotated classes, while creating session factory. Let's run the class. Now, if we check, section and topics both are deleted from database. So, we have seen how one-to-many unidirectional mapping works in Hibernate. That's it for this video. I hope you find it useful. For any queries or concerns, write me down in the comments section. Thank you so much. Have a great day.